how to replace the Hunter S2 controller for your irrigation system. So first of all, we need to unplug the power out of the outlet, and then we can unplug the cover here. After that, we will mark down, we will check the picture to make sure later we can wire correctly and use the side screw to unlock. And I will label. I can use the label, maybe I write it down, the number or the mark, to make sure later I will install correctly. So I will put another connect video for next. Then I mark by the number. For example, SEN, CMV, 1, 2, 3. So I mark all of them before I transfer to the new one to make sure. Otherwise, we may miss wire. And we will put this one under here. Okay, to make it on together. Then I put screw back the box together. Set the box here. You can see the screwdriver right there. And then we screw back and on up the line I have put together. So when we plug again, the power is on now. Great. See if I can program to see if it works. Now I need to set the time as current and then reprogram everything. Now I test on number 6 and for 5 minutes. See, yeah, it's work now. Perfect. And I test one by one zone, and now it's my zone 7, so it's worked perfect. So it means that first of all, when I got it, I plug it on the power, it doesn't turn on, but actually we have to wire the small line, the green, yellow and white. We need to put that one, it will be fine. And then we got a new system. So hope everyone, if you have the same problem with me, the controller, so you can have the idea how to fix